Now let us move on to the second topic in macros and preprocessors, which is nothing but define directives. So whenever we use hash define, then what happens? That's the question here. When we use define directive for a constant, for example, we have used hash define max 100, as you can see. When we use define for a constant, the preprocessor would, it would produce a C program where the defined constant, which is nothing but max, that max, it's searched all over the program and is replaced with a given value. For example, in this case, we have used hash define max 100. It starts with a hash, therefore preprocessor comes to the picture. Wherever a line begins with a hash, preprocessor would come into the picture. So after preprocessing, what the preprocessor would have already told, it would search for the variable max in all the lines of the code. Wherever it finds max, it would replace it with by 100. That variable max it would replace by 100. So as I have shown in the example, inside main function I have max is equal to %d max. So one doubt some people may have, will the max, max is written 2 times, would it be replaced even within the string, or only the %d, the variable max, will it be replaced by 100? Certainly, define directive, it will replace only the variable max and not the string values. So wherever max variable is used in the program, it would replace it by 100. So after preprocessing, how the program would look is, the hash statements would go off. In place of hash include stdio.h, I already discussed in the last video, you would have a set of inbuilt functions, basically the body of stdio.h. And in hash define max 10 also, that would also go off. And in place of, and how the new printf function would look, that I have written in red ink, as you can see. Max is %d 100, that is how it would look. Anyway, so the output, and then it will return 0, so control comes out of the main function, and the output would be 100. Output would be 100. I hope this explanation is clear to you. Thank you very much.